Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best simmer pot is probably one of the most versatile and aromatic ways to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in your home. Today, we'll explore the wonderful world of simmer pots, uncovering their benefits and guiding you through the process of selecting the perfect one to suit your needs and preferences, ensuring you create a tranquil and fragrant haven within your living space. Number 5. Clear glass simmer pot. It's made of food-grade borosilicate glass, completely lead-free and non-toxic. This makes it a much healthier choice than plastic or stainless steel cookware. It can handle temperatures from freezing to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use it on the stovetop, in the oven, refrigerator, dishwasher, and even the microwave. With a 1.5 L capacity, it's ideal for making baby food, sauces, or even a quick bowl of noodles. It's the perfect size for one person. Unlike metal or plastic, it won't stain or retain odors. Cleaning is quick and easy. Avoid rapid temperature changes, let it warm up gradually. Always use low to medium heat for best results. What we like? It's made of healthy, lead-free glass, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals. Plus, it's safe for various cooktops and easy to clean, saving you time and effort. If you prioritize health and convenience in your kitchen, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Love this, beautiful to use every day or especially during the holidays. Love putting the cranberries, oranges, cloves, cinnamon sticks etc. in and having the house smell homey and inviting to my family and company. The pot itself is easy to use, has a good weight, is not super thick but not overly fragile either. The size is perfect, the quality is awesome. Easy to clean. Very aesthetically pleasing. Haven't had any problems with heating or cleaning. This is a very durable product. Number 4. Simax Simmer Pot. It's 100% safe and toxin-free, so you can enjoy your food without worrying about chemicals. Plus, it's non-porous, meaning no lingering odors or flavors from previous meals. Watch your food cook without lifting the lid. Say goodbye to burnt dinners and hello to perfectly prepared meals every time. The integrated handles stay cool to the touch, even when it's hot. They're securely attached, so there's no worry about them falling off. Made in the Czech Republic, you can trust in its quality and durability. It's built to last for years of delicious cooking. It's safe for the stovetop, microwave, oven, and dishwasher. It can handle extreme temperatures, from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, making it incredibly versatile. This makes a fantastic gift for any occasion. It's beautiful, functional, and built to last. What we like? See your food cook without lifting the lid, thanks to its clear design. The integrated handles stay cool, preventing burns. It's made with quality materials in Europe, ensuring durability. If you value quality, safety, and precise cooking, this is the pot for you. What people say. The pot is cute, durable, and the handles don't get too hot after cooling for a few minutes. Perfect size for what I needed, and looks pretty. The size is perfect for steaming vegetable and heating up milk. Number 3. Clear glass cooking pot set. This stunning glass pot set is perfect for all your cooking needs. Its elegant design and functionality will elevate your kitchen experience. It's the ideal size for making pasta, soup, milk, or even baby food. You can clearly see your food cooking, ensuring perfect results every time. This pot is incredibly durable, withstanding temperatures from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's safe to use on various cooktops, in the oven, refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave. Made from high-quality, food-grade borosilicate glass, it's 100% lead-free and non-toxic, providing a healthier alternative to plastic or stainless steel. Remember to use it on a slow fire or induction cooker to avoid breakage. Always handle with care to prevent burns. Your set includes one glass saucepan with a lid, a silicone hot pad, and a convenient sponge bottle brush. Please read the safety instructions on the box before use. What we like? Watch your creations come to life with its transparent design. It's heat-resistant and made from healthy, lead-free glass. If you enjoy watching your food cook and want a healthy cooking option, this is a great choice. What people say. Used about 4 times and has worked great so far. I've only heated or reheated soups or water in it on low-medium heat, so good for what I bought it for. My friend absolutely adores this glass pot for making her house smell amazing naturally. She boils fresh oranges, cinnamon sticks and honey and her house smells like you walked into a warm hug. It couldn't be easier to use and is incredibly functional for multiple things. It also looks amazing. The glass creates a calming ambience, perfect for unwinding at the end of a busy day. Plus, it's easy to clean and surprisingly sturdy for something so delicate looking. This pot is perfect. It is a good size so you don't need a ton of stuff to fill it up. I can't believe how much the smell permeates the house, and it is just beautiful. The glass is not too thin and it's a good value for the cost. Number 2. Olytaru glass saucepan. It's made of durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, perfect for healthy cooking. It's also lead-free and BPA-free for peace of mind. Watch your food cook without lifting the lid. You can easily monitor the cooking process from start to finish. With a capacity of 2,450 milliliters, it's the perfect size for most cooking needs. It ensures even cooking for delicious results. It's safe to use on the stovetop, in the microwave, oven, and dishwasher. You can even store leftovers in it in the refrigerator. We stand behind its quality. If there are any issues, we'll happily offer a reshipment or compensation. Just remember it's not suitable for induction cooking. What we like? This pot is made from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, allowing you to see your food as it cooks. It also boasts a large capacity, perfect for family meals. If you need a durable, large-capacity pot for everyday cooking, this is a great option. What people say. Giving 5 stars BC. It's super cute and hasn't had any issues after 6 or 7 simmer pots through the holiday. Smells up the whole house so nice. I made my fall simmer in this pot and it worked perfectly and it's so cute for fall. So cute on my stove top. I used it as a simmer pot and have had no issues at all. Keep it on low heat and you should be fine. I would not try to cook food in it though. Number 1. Glass cooking pot 1.6L. It's perfect for simmering, stove cooking, and boiling. This multipurpose pot is ideal for a variety of cooking needs, from soups to sauces. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass, it can withstand high heat. The glass lid and wooden handle ensure safe and comfortable use. Its ribbed glass surface prevents food from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy hassle-free cooking and effortless cleaning. With a sleek and modern design, it complements any kitchen. Its large capacity is perfect for various dishes. Made with heat-resistant materials, it can withstand high temperatures. It's built to last and will be your go-to pot for years to come. What we like? It's perfect for various cooking methods and is incredibly easy to clean thanks to its non-stick surface. Its stylish design will complement any kitchen. If you are looking for a versatile, easy-to-clean, and stylish pot, this is the one for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.